11 Proven health benefits of ginger. Ginger is amongst the healthiest and most delicious spices on the earth. It is loaded with vitamins and bioactive compounds that have effective benefits for your physique and brain. Here Square Measure 11 fitness benefits of ginger that Square Measure supported by suggests that of research project. 1. Ginger contains chemical irritant, a substance with powerful healthful properties. Ginger could be a angiosperm that originated from China. It belongs to the monocot family and is intently associated to turmeric, cardamom and galangal. The rootstock underground section of the stem is the section often used as a spice. It's often referred to as ginger root, or completely ginger. Ginger encompasses a terribly extended records of use in a very style of kinds of traditional, alternative medication. It's been wont to assist digestion, limit nausea and assist battle the respiratory illness and frequent cold, to spot many. Ginger is used contemporary, dried, powdered, or as associate in nursing oil or juice, and is sometimes dropped at processed meals and cosmetics. It's a awfully common ingredient in recipes. The special scent and style of ginger come back from its flavoring oils, the foremost essential of that is chemical irritant. Gingerol is the predominant bioactive compound in ginger, answerable for loads of its healthful properties. Its effective medication and inhibitor results. One trusted source. Ginger could be a noted spice. It's excessive in chemical irritant, a substance with effective medication and inhibitor properties. 2. Ginger will treat several varieties of nausea, particularly sickness. Ginger looks to be exceptionally fine con to nausea. 2. Trusted source. For example, it's a extended records of use as a ocean unhealthiness remedy, and there's some proof that it's going to even be as positive as medicine. 3. Trusted source. Ginger can even to boot relieve nausea and unconditioned reflex when surgery, and in most cancers sufferers gift method therapy. 4. Trusted supply. 5. Trusted source. But it can even be the foremost advantageous once it involves pregnancy-related nausea, like sickness. According to a value of 12 analysis that protected a full of 278 pregnant girls, 1.1 to 1.5 grams of ginger will significantly decrease signs and symptoms of nausea. 6. Trusted source. However, ginger had no impact on unconditioned reflex episodes during this study. Although ginger is regarded safe, discuss to your medical doctor prior to taking big quantities if you're pregnant. Some believe that huge quantities will increase the hazard of miscarriage, but there's Square Measure presently no analysis to assist this. 1 to 1.5 grams of ginger will assist forestall over many forms of nausea. This is applicable to ocean illness, chemotherapy-related nausea, nausea when surgical procedure and sickness. 3. Ginger might scale back muscle pain and soreness. Ginger has been evidenced to be fantastic towards exercise-induced muscle pain. In one study, ingesting 2 grams of ginger per day, for 11 days, extensively reduced muscle ache in men acting elbow workouts. 7. Trusted source. Ginger will now not have associate in nursing on the spot impact, but may additionally be positive at lowering the everyday development of muscle ache. 8. Trusted source. These outcomes Square Measure believed to be mediate via the medication properties. Ginger looks to be rattling at decreasing the regular development of muscle pain, and will to boot minimize exercise-induced muscle soreness. 4. The medication effects will facilitate with degenerative joint disease. Osteoarthritis could be a common fitness drawback. It includes degeneration of the joints within the body, main to signs like joint ache and stiffness. In a managed trial of 247 humans with degenerative joint disease of the knee, these United Nations agency took ginger extract had abundant less ache and needed abundant less ache remedy. 9. Trusted source. Another find out about determined that a mixture of ginger, mastic, cinnamon and vegetable oil, will minimize ache and stiffness in degenerative joint disease sufferers once used locally. 10. Trusted source. There's Square Measure some analysis displaying ginger to be advantageous at lowering signs of degenerative joint disease, that could be a terribly frequent fitness drawback. 5. Ginger might drastically lower blood sugars and improve cardiopathy risk factors. This place of search is awfully new, but ginger might to boot have effective anti-diabetic properties. In a latest 2015 find out about of 41 contributors with kind 2 polygenic disorder, 2 grams of ginger powder per day reduced fast glucose with the help of 12-tone system. 11. Trusted source. It to boot dramatically enhanced HbA1c, a marker for long glucose levels, main to a 10th discount over a length of 12 weeks. There was once to boot a 28th discount within the APO-B/APO-AI quantitative relation, and a 23rd discount in markers for change lipoproteins. These square measure every vital danger components for coronary cardiopathy. This arrange indicates what happened. Photo source, Subversity. However, maintain in concept this was once merely one tiny study, the implications square measure particularly spectacular, but they need to be evidenced in giant analysis prior to any hints is created. Ginger has been evidenced to decrease glucose tears and enhance variety coronary heart upset danger components in sufferers with kind 2 polygenic disorder. 6. Ginger will facilitate treat chronic upset stomach. Chronic upset stomach symptom dyspepsia is characterized by means of repeated ache and pain within the high section of the stomach. It is believed that delayed evacuation of the belly could be a most significant driver of upset stomach. Interestingly, ginger has been evidenced to pace up evacuation of the belly in humans with this condition. After intense soup, ginger reduced the time it took for the belly to empty from 16 to 12 minutes. 12 Trusted source. In a find out about of 24 healthful people, 1.2 grams of ginger powder prior to a meal accelerated evacuation of the belly by means of 50. 13 Trusted source. Ginger looks to rate up evacuation of the abdomen, which might be very useful for humans with upset stomach and associated belly discomfort. 7. Ginger powder might considerably scale back expelling pain. Menstrual ache dysmenorrhea refers to ache felt within the course of a woman's oscillation. One of the regular uses of ginger is for ache relief, comprehensive of expelling pain. In one study, 150 women had been prompt to require 1 gram of ginger powder per day, for the primary 3 days of the expelling period. 14 Trusted source. Ginger managed to limit ache as properly because the pill's NSAID and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory. Ginger looks to be terribly rattling towards expelling ache once taken at the gap of the expelling amount. 8. Ginger might lower cholesterol levels. High degrees of lipoproteins, the bad cholesterol, square measure connected to associate in nursing increased threat of coronary cardiopathy. The meals you consume will have a durable impact on lipoprotein levels. In a 45-day ascertain regarding of 85 persons with excessive cholesterol, 3 grams of ginger powder iatrogenic huge rate reductions in most cholesterol markers. 15 Trusted source. This is supported with the help of a find out about in hypothyroid rats. The place ginger extract reduced lipoprotein cholesterol to a comparable extent because the cholesterol-lowering drug Lipitor. 16 Trusted source. Both analysis to boot confirmed rate reductions in whole cholesterol and blood triglycerides. There is some proof, in every animals and humans, that ginger will result in big discount rates in lipoprotein cholesterol and blood lipid levels. 9. Ginger contains a substance that will facilitate stop cancer. Cancer could be a terribly serious disorder that's characterized by exploitation uncontrolled boom of weird cells. Ginger extract has been studied as associate in nursing selection remedy for variety of sorts of cancer. The anti-cancer Holmes square measure attributed to 6-gingerol, a substance that's discovered in huge quantities in raw ginger. 17 Trusted supply. 18 Trusted source. In a ascertain regarding of 30 people, 2 grams of ginger extract per day significantly reduced pro-inflammatory signaling molecules within the colon. 19 Trusted source. However, a follow-up ascertain regarding in of us at a excessive danger of colon most cancers did no longer verify these findings. 20 Trusted source. There is some, albeit restricted, proof that ginger might to boot be advantageous con to carcinoma, breast most cancers and sex gland cancer. A lot of search is needed. 21 Trusted supply. 23 Trusted source. Ginger incorporates a substance referred to as 6-gingerol, which could even have protective consequences con to cancer. However, this desires to be studied. Loads a lot of. 10. Ginger might improve brain operate and shield against Alzheimer's. Oxidative stress and continual infection will speed up the obtaining older method. They are believed to be amongst the key drivers of Alzheimer's illness and age-related psychological feature decline. Some analysis in animals advocate that the antioxidants and bioactive compounds in ginger will inhibit inflammatory responses that manifest within the genius. 24 Trusted source. There is to boot some proof that ginger will beautify intelligence characteristic directly. In a very find out about of 60 old girls, ginger extract want to be evidenced to reinforce time interval and dealing reminiscence. 25 Trusted source. Their square measure to boot severa analysis in animals displaying that ginger will defend towards age-related decline in intelligence characteristic 26 trusted supply, 27 trusted supply, 28 trusted source. Studies propose that ginger will defend towards age-related injury to the brain. It will to boot enhance intelligence characteristic in aged girls. 11. The active ingredient in ginger will facilitate fight infections. Gingerol, the bioactive substance in clean ginger, will assist decrease the danger of infections. In fact, ginger extract will inhibit the rise of the many exclusive forms of small organism 29 trusted supply, 30 trusted source. It is terribly very good con to the oral small organism connected to inflammatory sicknesses within the gums, like periodontal disease and periodontal disease 31 trusted source. Fresh ginger may additionally even be fantastic towards the RSV virus, a frequent purpose of metastasis infections 32 trusted source. 12. Something else? Ginger is one among the only a few superfoods really invaluable of that term. You'll be able to purchase sparkling or spice at your near grocery look or obtain ginger dietary supplements online.